Hi, fourth graders. So we are going to be starting a fun project. You may have seen these in the hallways when you were in third grade or second grade, because the fourth grade teachers do this project every year. So it's new for me, and it's going to be new for you too, but it looks like it's super fun. So what we're going to do is first do review on translations, rotations, and reflections from yesterday's lesson. So we learned what a translation is, and that SL reminds us that it means slide. It's sliding a shape from one place to another. The shape doesn't turn, the shape doesn't flip, doesn't do anything other than slide. Then we have a rotation, where we talked a lot about with our angles. When you do a rotation, you're doing a turn, a 90-degree turn, a 180-degree turn, 270, and then all the way to 360. Okay, so it's turning a shape around a single point, so a corner of the shape, and rotating it. And then the third one is a reflection. We have that FL helping to remind us that it's a flip. Okay, so it's when a shape flips. Okay, it's flipping a shape over a real or imaginary line. And yesterday I kind of talked about how you picture if you were looking at yourself in the mirror, how you kind of flip, right? So that's what we do with the shapes. So today you're going to be making a project that looks like this. Now you might be saying in your head already, I don't have construction paper, I don't have markers. Well, since we're all in this position, I don't have some of the things either. I don't have construction paper at home, so I'm just going to make it work the best way that I can. First thing I want to show you though is all the materials that you are going to need. So I can flip my camera. So the materials that you are going to need. So the only markers I had at home are these silly cents. So you're going to need at least 3 markers. And then you're going to need at least 3 sheets of paper. So this is just computer paper, but you can use any paper that you have at home, okay? So just as long as there is nothing on the front or the back. So if you need to use lined paper, that's okay too, just making sure there's nothing on either side. And then you are going to need scissors. I don't even have my classroom scissors here, so here are my kitchen scissors. We just do what we got to do. And then the last thing is a pencil. Okay, and then later you might want to have another sheet of paper to glue on your hands. I found just this scrapbook piece of paper, but that's not required either. So those are the that's the introduction. Make sure that you watch every single step to make sure that you do it correctly. All right, let's have fun.